Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a group of adventurous children named Lily, Max, Mia, Jake, and Emma. These five friends shared a deep love for animals and spent their days exploring the wonders of nature that surrounded their homes. One sunny morning, as they gathered in their favorite spot by the old oak tree, Lily exclaimed. Max, the ever-curious one, suggested they venture into the nearby woods to search for hidden treasures. Mia, with her keen eye for detail, proposed they explore the meadows to discover new species of insects. Jake, the brave-hearted, suggested they climb the tallest hill to catch a glimpse of the mysterious creatures rumored to dwell in the valley below, but it was, she suggested with a twinkle in her eye. I've heard it's a magical place where animals of all kinds roam freely. Excited by the idea, the friends set off on their adventure, their hearts brimming with anticipation. As they approached the sanctuary, they were greeted by a chorus of cheerful chirps, playful barks, and gentle whinnies. The sanctuary was a haven for animals rescued from all walks of life. Dogs of every breed bounded joyfully around the open fields, their tails wagging furiously as they welcomed the children. Moral: in the journey of life, the bonds of friendship and the wonders of compassion enrich our experiences beyond measure. Through empathy and understanding, we discover the beauty of connection, not only with each other but with the creatures that share our world. Just as the children found joy and fulfillment in caring for the animals at the sanctuary, so too can we find fulfillment by extending kindness and love to all beings, fostering a world where empathy and compassion reign supreme.